You sit in the library, highlighter in hand, 5 hours pass, and when you close the book, you realize you can't remember a single thing. It's like your brain just went on vacation. The truth is, it's not about how many hours you sit with your books. It's about the method. And today I'll show you 4 secret hacks that will help you learn faster, finish quicker, and remember longer. Step 1. The blur method. Have you ever sat down to read a textbook line by line, only to realize you didn't actually learn anything? Yeah, we've all been there. You're staring at the words, but your brain is basically on airplane mode. Here's the thing, your brain doesn't work best when you crawl. It works best when you push it to stay sharp. It's like watching a movie. If you paused every 3 seconds to analyze one frame, you'd never understand the story. But if you just let it play, suddenly the whole plot makes sense. The blur method does the same thing with your textbook. Instead of forcing yourself to chew every word, you let your eyes move faster. Almost like you're skimming so quickly the text blurs a little. By moving faster, your brain starts piecing together the meaning instead of getting stuck on the tiny details. Step 2. Study like a sprinter. Picture this. You sit down to study with the best intentions. You tell yourself, I'm going to grind for the next 3 hours. But 20 minutes in, you're already drained. Your phone is calling your name, and before you know it, TikTok wins again. Here's the truth. Your brain wasn't built for marathons. Long, endless study sessions actually kill your focus. What your brain actually thrives on are sprints. Short, powerful bursts of focus, followed by quick recovery breaks. That's the Pomodoro method, or what I like to call Pomodoro sprints. Instead of dragging yourself through hours, you lock in for just 25 minutes. No distractions, no excuses. And when the timer rings, you take 5 minutes to stretch, breathe, and recharge before the next round. The timer creates urgency, so procrastination doesn't even stand a chance. Plus, the breaks aren't wasted time. They help your brain quietly process and lock in what you just learned. So when you come back, you're sharper than before. Step 3. Explain it to a 10-year-old. If you can't explain something in simple words, you don't really understand it. This is called the Feynman technique. Think about it. When you try to teach someone else, all your weak spots show up. You can't hide behind big words or complicated notes. Either you get it or you don't. And that's actually a good thing, because every time you stumble, it's your brain telling you exactly where to focus. So instead of just reading over and over, imagine you're teaching a younger sibling, a friend, or even yourself in the mirror. Break the topic down like you're telling a story. If it sounds messy or confusing, go back, learn that part again, and then simplify it until it flows. The magic is in the simplicity. When you can explain a tough idea in plain words like you're chatting with someone who's never seen the topic before, that's when you know it's locked in your brain. So the next time you're studying, don't just highlight or memorize. Teach it. Step 4. The active recall. Let's be honest, rereading your notes over and over doesn't mean you're learning. It just feels safe. Real learning happens when you close the book and test yourself. That's active recall. Instead of staring at your notes, you make your brain work. You close the book and ask yourself, what did I just learn? You try to remember it, say it out loud, or write it down. Think of your brain like a muscle. Reading is like watching workout videos, but recall. That's lifting the weights. When you force your brain to pull answers out, even if you get some wrong, you're building stronger memory connections than hours of passive reading ever could. When exam day comes, retrieving answers isn't scary. It's natural. You've practiced the challenge so many times, your brain is ready. So next time you study, don't just read. Test yourself. Recall, repeat. It's simple, fast, and it actually works. That's why top students swear by it. And there you have it. 4 study hacks that actually make your brain work smarter, not longer. Now go ahead, try them out and watch your study sessions transform. And hey, if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with that friend who really needs this. See you in the next video.